Okay, so let's move to the exercise on the same page. Now beneath this text we have like two questions. We have to answer them by using the text that we have explained earlier. Okay, let's start with the multiple choice question. سؤال ضع دائرة المتعلق بهاي النص. What happens to the magma when the top of a volcano splits open? ما الذي يحدث لمادة الماجما عندما تفتح القشرة العلوية أو تنفصل؟ Okay. Now split actually also means separated or something like that. Okay. So ما الذي يحدث لهاي المادة عندما تفتح القشرة العلوية? Does it bubbles up and erupts? Does it stay inside or does it turn into ashes? كلمة ashes معناها الرماد. Okay. So I'm going with the option number A. طبعا مادة الماجما عندما يعني تفتح القشرة العلوية تغلي وتخرج إلى سطح الأرض. What covers almost 17% of Jordan today? ما الذي يغطي ما نسبته 17% من سطح الأردن? Is it magma, crust, القشرة, or basalt أو basalt اللي هو الحجر البازلت. Okay, so we are going with basalt. What happened to the volcanoes in Jordan? ما الذي حدث للبراكين الموجودة في الأردن? Did they disappear? هل اختفت? Or are they no longer active? ليست فعالة أو نشطة? Or did they explode? What do you think? Well, they are no longer active. Okay, because this is like the most let's say inclusive answer. You can say disappeared or exploded and no longer active. يعني لما البركان يكون غير نشط معناها اختفى أو تفجر. So it's like more أكثر شمولية. How many natural volcanoes can still be found in Jordan today? كم عدد البراكين الطبيعية الموجودة في الأردن اليوم? Are they more than 80, more than 40, or none? Of course it is more than 40. Which one is an example of a volcano in Jordan? أي هذه الأمثلة عبارة عن مثال للبراكين أو بركان متكامل أو موجود لا زال موجود في الأردن. Is it Azraq or the North Arabian Basalt Plateau or the Jabal Aritan? Okay, we are going with number C. Okay, let's move to exercise 8. Find words in text with the following meanings. Now this exercise is really important for you guys, so please focus on it. Okay, it's a hot melted rocks inside the earth. يعني الصخور الحارة أو الساخنة المذابة داخل سطح الأرض. What do we call this one, guys? Excellent, we call it magma. Okay. The hot material that floats down the surface of the earth after an eruption. المادة الساخنة التي floats بمعنى تسيل أو تطفو على سطح الأرض after the eruption بعد ثوران البركان. Now magma inside the earth, but lava is outside the earth or on the surface. Number 3. A line on the surface of something that has split but hasn't separated into parts. Line بمعنى شق أو خط على السطح لم ينفصل كليا يعني لازال متصل ولكن يوجد بينهم شقوق. What do we call this one? Of course we call it a crack. Okay, a volcanic rock formed from the fast cooling of lava. نوع من الأحجار البركانية يتكون من برودة اللافا أو عندما تبرد اللافا. We call it the basalt. Okay. A force applied to do something or something. Sorry. القوة okay applied يعني المركزة على شيء معين. Like when you are forcing something, when you are pushing something to come out, it is a pressure. Okay. وهي الضغط. Become more intense and about to blow up. تصبح أكثر يعني شراسة أو أكثر حدية وعلى وشك الانفجار. Blow up بمعنى ينفجر, like to explode. I think the most accurate expression would be bubble up. Okay.